guys, welcome to this midweek episode of R&D Garage. I want to give a warm welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing all my videos. Really appreciate you guys. And of course, everybody who's been there from the beginning, thank you so much. Okay, so it is poll time here at R&D Garage. We're kind of at a crossroads. Not sure what I should be working on next, so I figure I'm going to throw the ball in your guys' court, and please help me decide what to do next. So we have a couple options for you. We have the Honda 250 in the corner here that we can order a bunch of parts for, get running again, have a little bit of fun with. So there's that. We have Grandpa Truck, which needs, oh gosh, exhaust manifold, carb, just a little bit of work going on right here too. So we can definitely order up the parts, get back to work on old Grandpa. Does that sound good? Of course, we also have the Fastback, which needs interior work, and I always obviously welcome working on the Fastback, so that's an option. Of course, we have our sweet Blueberry with all her tranny woes. So we are just seriously waiting on parts for her. And I know we've had a bunch of videos about her lately, but you know, she's my girl too. Love working on her. Of course, we have the Mini. Should I rebuild that, put it all together, see if we can break her again? That's always an option. Expensive option, but an option. And of course, we have the Lotus, which she needs brakes. She's needed new brakes for almost 2 years now, so I should probably get on that. That is an option if you guys want to see that. And of course, there's the FJ. We're going on a little trip in this summer that I'm pretty excited about. But she may need some more suspension work, maybe a little bit of upgrades, maybe a little bit of more maintenance before we get going. So that's an option too. We're getting more tools in, so I can do tool videos. I know you guys like that. There's always the ever popular toolbox review, or, you know, look inside my toolbox, so we can do that again. We also have a bunch of video games in here. And I don't know if you guys are into old retro stand-up style vintage games, but we can do a video on that. We can do a video on me ordering parts that will hopefully show up in less than 3 months. I can show you guys my ordering process. Let's see, what else can we do? Oh yes, the Sim Racer, of course. If you guys would like to see me do a little bit more racing, have some in-person racing videos, do live streams, let me know if this is something you're interested in. I will totally accommodate you guys. Yeah, I think that's about it. So I feel like I've thrown enough ideas out there. You guys, please comment below and tell me what exactly you'd like to see next, because I am all for giving you guys what you want. So as always, thank you so much for watching R&D Garage, and it looks like we'll have some options soon.